Hey, you're that bastard that keeps talking about my mom.
Yes, I am. What you gonna do? What?
I'll talk about your mom.
You do that. What?
Your mom is so ugly. When she went to the ugly contest, they said sorry, no professionals.
Oh my god, you bitch, I will have to talk about your mum now as well. You have asked for this. Your mum is so fat, the last time she saw 90210 was on the scale. What?
Yes, well, your mom is so fat. When she turns around, it's her birthday.
Oh no, you didn't. Your mum is so ugly she made an onion cry. What?
I hate you. You are a bastard. You always talk about my mom.
What? Take that, you son of a bitch.
Fuck you, bitch.